Thank you for viewing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we will be replacing the brushes on our ball door motor. To replace the brushes, simply unscrew the cap, being careful not to lose it as it is spring loaded. Remove the brush from the motor. Repeat the process on the opposite side. I've already removed the brushes from both sides. I'm now simply going to, using compressed air, blow any leftover remaining carbon from the inside of the motor. Once complete, with new brushes, simply install, hold the brush in place, slide the cap, begin to tighten, and finish with our screwdriver. Repeat the process on the opposite side.